In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to a section in Squarespace. If you've been wondering how to make your website more interactive and user-friendly, you've come to the right place. This straightforward process will guide you to create seamless navigation for your visitors. Let's start by opening your Squarespace website editor. This is where all the magic happens. The editor is the heart of your site where you can manage everything from content to design elements, ensuring everything looks and functions just as you envision. Once you have the editor open, find the specific page where the button resides. This might take a bit of scrolling, but patience pays off, and soon enough, you'll locate the button you want to link. Now that you've identified your button, give it a click. By doing this, you'll bring up options related to that button. This step is essential as Squarespace neatly organizes actions for each element, helping you to make specific adjustments with ease. Once the button menu is on display, look for the Edit option and give that a click. Editing here doesn't mean changing the button's visual elements, though you can always do that too, but rather configuring the button's functionality. The next step is to hit Attach Link. This might sound a bit formal or techy, but don't let it intimidate you. What this essentially means is that you're about to tell the button, hey, when someone clicks you, here's where you should take them. Clicking Attach Link introduces you to a world of navigation possibilities. Your job is to guide the journey. With the link attachment option open, you'll need to choose a section from your page to link the button. Selecting a section ensures that anyone who clicks this particular button will be seamlessly directed to the specified area, enhancing the browsing experience. It's a sleek feature that streamlines site navigation and can help keep visitors engaged for longer. Finally, once you have selected the desired section, it's crucial to save your changes. Clicking Save finalizes everything. This step is non-negotiable. Nothing gets permanently applied until you save it. Think of it as the final stamp that locks in your work. And that's it. You've successfully linked a button to a section in Squarespace. Navigational features like linked buttons not only make your site feel more professional, but also offer a smoother user experience, encouraging visitors to dive deeper into what you have to offer. As you practice, customizing your site will become second nature, opening up endless possibilities for creating an engaging online presence. Happy designing!